A. Chime SpotMe request gets denied most often because your account doesn't meet eligibility requirements, or because your direct deposit activity isn't strong enough for SpotMe to activate. By the end of this, you'll know how to check why SpotMe is denied, what to fix in your account, and how to improve your chances of getting approved again. Start by opening the Chime app and checking your SpotMe status. If it shows unavailable or not eligible, it means your account hasn't met the internal requirements yet. Next, check your direct deposit setup inside Chime. SpotMe depends heavily on regular direct deposits hitting your account. If your deposits are irregular or missing, the feature can stay locked. Open your recent activity and confirm that your payroll deposits are coming through correctly. If your paycheck is going into a different bank account, SpotMe won't activate at all. Next, make sure your Chime account is fully verified. Incomplete identity verification can block access to features like SpotMe. If there are any pending verification steps, complete them before trying again. Also, check if your account has been recently opened. New accounts often need time and consistent activity before SpotMe becomes available. Next, look at your transaction history for any issues. Negative balances, reversals, or failed payments can sometimes affect eligibility. If your account looks fine, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refreshes your account status and can update eligibility flags. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. Outdated versions can sometimes show incorrect SpotMe availability status. If you recently changed your phone, bank login, or payroll details, that can also reset eligibility temporarily. In that case, keep using the account normally, and let deposits continue to build history. Avoid repeatedly toggling settings or reapplying for SpotMe. That does not speed up approval and can sometimes delay system updates. If everything looks correct but SpotMe is still denied, contact Chime support. Provide your account email and a clear description of what you see in the SpotMe section. They can check if your account is flagged, restricted, or still under review. To sum it up, check your direct deposit activity, confirm account verification, review eligibility status, and keep consistent account usage. Next, make sure your paycheck is going into your Chime account consistently before checking SpotMe again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Chime tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.